Hi, we're Pollinate. We're building a last mile delivery service on EOS. So what is last mile delivery? Right now, if you buy a product overseas and get it shipped to your door, it feels like magic for the customer, but there are a lot of missing pieces in the middle. So there's airplanes, freights, warehouses to get that package to your door. Last mile is the very last delivery truck driver that gets from the local hub to your front door. Now, of all these pieces, last mile is 50% of the cost of the entire chain. Companies are spending $4 trillion on this globally. And in the developing world, it's 3 times more expensive. Now, in emerging markets with poor infrastructure, this is a huge trust issue. So in Nigeria, our first target market, half of packages are late, 10% of them just don't even show up. This is where Pollinate comes in. Pollinate is using the blockchain to allow anybody within a city to pick up and deliver a package and get a piece of the shipping fee. We solve the trust issue, we are more reliable, and we're 50% cheaper and faster than any solution out there. Okay, so let me show you a little bit how Pollinate works. So let's say I am needing a package delivered to me, and Lucas is on Pollinate to deliver it. He touches his phone to the package, and on the blockchain, we record that Lucas has the package and where it's going. On top of that, something to point out, in Nigeria, 80% of the population doesn't have actual addresses, so we're using this thing called What 3 Words. It's a service very popular in Nigeria that gives everyone a unique address. Second, this is really important, as soon as he taps that phone, we're transferring collateral amount from his account into our account as an escrow. So this is how we solve the trust issue. If he loses the package or steals the package in transit, we take that as collateral. Okay, so now Lucas is going to start walking to me to deliver the package. We're tracking his location in real time on the chain, so we keep tracking it with GPS. If anyone needs to know where that package is, that has access to it, they know at all times. And when he finally delivers it to me, we track his delivery on the chain, we give him his reward, and we give back his collateral that he put up in the beginning. So there's a lot of technology here, and we built out the prototype and it works. In the last 26 days since the hackathon, we have already done 3 actual deliveries using Pollinate, including one this morning in Cape Town. Now, in addition to that, we know that our distribution channel is going to be partnerships with companies, right? So we already have 2 e-commerce companies that want to use us as a pilot. We're talking with FedEx's innovation lab, because they're exploring blockchain. Obviously, it's helpful for them. And most importantly, we know they had a product at Walmart's grocery division. Walmart, biggest retailer in the world, they are already using blockchain in the supply chain, and they're looking at crowdsourced delivery. And so we're hoping to start a pilot with them early next year. Now, this all happened in 26 days. We're moving lightning fast, and that's because of our team. All 3 of us are startup founders. Lucas and I went through Y Combinator, one of the top tech accelerators in the world. Drew is one of the best blockchain engineers on the planet. He created the first blockchain blood donation tracking system. He's been in the space for 6 years, and he's 18 years old. So he's our secret weapon. Combined, we've won over 30 hackathons. So we know how to ship products, iterate, and get it out the door. And we've got to move fast, because this is a huge opportunity. With the 20% of the delivery fee that we take as our revenue, in Nigeria alone, that's $200 million in TAM. Now, this doesn't just apply to the developing world, right? This is last mile. It can apply everywhere over the world. We're looking at $600 billion. This is logistics. This is one of the biggest markets in the world. So to sum it up, we've got a working prototype. We have partnerships in transit right now. We're all a killer startup team, and we're attacking a $600 billion market. Thanks so much.